Hey everyone, welcome back to Stock Updates. Today, we are diving into today's market movers, from acquisitions to growth projections. These 5 stocks are making headlines. Jubilant Foodworks, the company soared to a new 52-week high at 586 rupees and 90 paise after announcing plans to acquire Domino's Pizza Eurasia. This move aims to expand its pizza delivery footprint in Turkey, Azerbaijan, and Georgia. Despite the positive outlook, Emkay Global remains cautious due to potential currency fluctuations and inflation in Turkey, maintaining a sell rating on the stock. Varun Beverages, the non-alcoholic beverages company, hit an all-time high of 1,380 rupees following its acquisition of South Africa's The Beverage company. This strategic move enhances its presence across southern Africa and forecasts substantial growth in the market. Nippon Life India AMC, with a 2.9% rise in the last week and a 39.1% surge in the last quarter, Nippon AMC continues to make strides in the asset management sector. Despite an expected decrease in debt assets, the company's focus on active investment management and plans for diversification into alternative investment funds and portfolio management services make it an interesting prospect. Ether Industries, the specialty chemicals company, recently inked a strategic agreement with a lithium-ion manufacturer, expanding its market reach. However, the company faced setbacks due to a fire at its manufacturing facility, resulting in a temporary halt. Despite these challenges, HDFC Securities maintains a buy rating on the stock, banking on its growth trajectory and diversification. Kochi Shipyard, with a remarkable 19.1% rise in the past month, Kochi Shipyard is making waves. Bagging substantial defense contracts and displaying a strong order backlog, the company promises impressive earnings potential in the coming years. ICICI Direct recommends a buy, projecting significant revenue and profit growth. That's all for today's dive into market dynamics. Before you click away, if you enjoyed our market insights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.